Hello, everyone. We're Byte Night, a four-member team consisting of myself, Leon, Christian, Nhat, and Carlton. We were paired with a nonprofit organization for Dinsmore Elementary called Friends of Dinsmore. Friends of Dinsmore has developed a website in which viewers can keep up with current events throughout the school year at Dinsmore Elementary. However, they would like for the website's amount of viewers and overall traffic to increase, bringing awareness to the Friends of Dinsmore's website. At the request of Friends of Dinsmore, we were tasked with creating an application to serve as a platform that would allow alumni of Dinsmore Elementary to reconnect with classmates. Basically, users and alumni would be able to request a classroom photo to be uploaded, which would be viewable on the website. After approval, the photo is then uploaded on the website, and upon viewing it, the users will be able to leave comments and even tag other classmates in school photos. With this new feature, the Friends of Dinsmore Elementary website would hopefully see an increase in the number of viewers and overall traffic to their current website, making the addition of our application a success. There were challenges in creating the application, in which we utilized several development strategies throughout the project. Carlton will provide us with an overview of the developmental strategies adopted by the team in detail, and Nhat will then, after that, give a demonstration of the actual completed product. And Christian will follow up by covering lessons learned throughout the project. I will now turn it over to Carlton.
Thank you, Leon. For the development process of the project, we used the Agile, Scrum, and ROP approach. We've worked through the inception, elaboration, and construction phases, which led us to the current transition phase, where we will pass the application over to our client and train them on how to use it. We used Jira to create a product backlog and a sprint backlog. In the product backlog, we listed all of the requirements of the product and work to be done. In the sprint backlog, we documented work being done on the project. We use visual paradigm to create UML diagrams for use cases, such as activity diagrams, analysis models, and sequence diagrams, and also the entity relationship diagram for a database. We used Visual Studio and the MVC framework to code the application and GitHub to store our code. We used Azure to create the database and host the application. Now I will pass it over to Nhat for a demonstration of the application.
Thank you, Carlton. Now we'll show everybody our website. To start off, the alumni will select their decade associated to the photo that they are looking for. They will select the decade, the year, the grade level, then the teacher name. It will redirect them to a new page with all the information regarding that class. You can choose to leave a comment, enter in the comment, and then their name. And then we also have Google reCAPTCHA, where it will, if it's not clicked on, then they aren't able to upload their comments. And we mainly did this for spamming purposes. We also have the flag. So if the photo is not appropriate, they can choose to flag the comments, and then it will be removed from the website until the admin decide otherwise. They can also search the comments to see if any person or any comments relate to their search field. They can also tag a person in the image. Let's say if the image is too small, they can click on the image and then make it larger. And then if they see somebody that they know within, they can select the number that associates to them, and then it will request the person name. The alumni can also choose to upload or request to upload their photo associated to the Friends of Dinsmore. And then they click on the button to display the instructions regarding their photos. Our client decided to mainly tackle this through email, so she will be uploading that herself. Mainly doing this for security purposes. And then we will now go to the admin side. The email pass will be given to the admin and it will be personalized to them. There, it will redirect them to the admin dashboard where the admin can upload photo, manage images, manage tag, and monitor comments. When they select upload images, they can enter information of the images was the person who uploaded the image, their email address, and then the year, grade, and teacher name of the class that the photo is associated with, as long as the image itself. We mainly did the image by converting the file into bits, storing the bits into database, and if the images need to be viewed again, like as as you can see right here, it's mainly transfer the bits and converting it back into a SRC. Um, From there, we can choose to do manage image, which display all the image along with the information was of our image that's in our database. It displays the name, email, beginning school year, the end of school year, grade, and teacher name. If the photo has more, if the class has more than one photo associated with them, they can have a slideshow and then it display all the images. They can choose to edit the information regarding the image, essentially of the name, email, etc. They can choose to tag the photo. This is mainly the admin side with all the number associated to each person in the photo. They can choose to delete the photo completely. They can do view image, which is display the page that the image is associated with, and they can add to gallery, which adds to the slideshow. Now we go to manage tag. It displays all the tag photos along with the information regarding that. And then if alumni enter the wrong name for a tag, the admin has the option to select the tag and then change the person name. They can also choose to delete the tag and then allowing the image to be re-tagged. We also have monitor the comments where we have the search field displaying to any comments that's related to the search field. They can sort it. They can flag the view, all the flag comments, where they can either edit the comment saying, hey, this comment is actually not inappropriate and should be back on the website. Then they're allowed to do that, or they can delete the comments entirely. That is all for our website. I will now pass it to Christian to finish our presentation.
So with the completion of the Classroom Connections system, alumni of Dinsmore Elementary will now come to the Friends of Dinsmore Elementary website to interact with each other and share old classroom photos. This system is value added for the client because it will get users to the Friends of Dinsmore Elementary website, and it gives Friends of Dinsmore Elementary the chance to share their volunteer opportunities and show what they have been doing in the school. Some of our key learnings from these past 2 semesters have been communication, teamwork, and also the development life cycle. So for communication, it was a big learning curve for us when we were tackling a project of this scale. It's the first time any of us had done something like this, and so there was definitely a learning curve how to communicate efficiently so that we would stay on track with the project. And also teamwork, being able to work together while coding was also something new that we were learning as well. And the development life cycle, we were involved with everything from planning, development, testing, and all the way through to now deploying the system. And we would like to thank our client, Linda Brunson, and our mentor, Ernest Mombay, for working with us on this project. We really enjoyed meeting with Ms. Brunson throughout the development of our project, and Mr. Mombay's guidance has been invaluable. We really appreciate their time and have learned a lot from them both. And we'd also like to thank Professor Umapathy for putting this project together and allowing us to work with the nonprofit groups in the community. So, yeah. Thank you.